Another EAS.
Remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Arkansas. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in
This
effect
isn't a
until
listening area.
5:45 p.m. for south central Yellow, northwestern Saline, western Perry, and northern Garland counties. At 5:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northwest of Lake Washita State Park, or 19 miles west of Hot Springs Village, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and baseball-size hail.
Here we go. Another tornado. Oh, it continues.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pulaski County in central Arkansas, southeastern Saline County in central Arkansas, until 6 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dell, or 9 miles southeast of Benton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm.
Tennis ball size.
Baseball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Baseball,
Source,
yeah.
radar indicated. Impact. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage.
Are we seeing any teacup or grapefruit-sized hail?
Locations impacted include Little Rock, North Little Rock, Benton, Sherwood, Jacksonville, West Little Rock, Bryant, Downtown Little Rock, Southwest Little Rock, North Little
Downtown,
Rock,
wow.
Little Rock Air Force Base, Shannon Hills, Wrightsville, Argenta, Hull, Sweet Home, Estes, East End, Guyer Springs, and State Fairgrounds. This includes the following highways: Interstate 30 between mile markers 116 and 142. Interstate 40 between mile markers 147 and 163. Interstate 430 between mile markers 1 and 12. Interstate 530 between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 630 between mile markers 1 and 7. Interstate 440 between mile markers 1 and 14. U.S. Highway 67 between mile markers 1 and 14. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for northwestern Garland County. At 5:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was